Hey y'all, it's your girl Koya Renee, and I am back with another video. Today I wanted to create a summertime look for you all with these infamous crimps. Y'all know I love me some crimps. And this eyeshadow, y'all get into this look, honey, yes. If y'all can recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Koya_Renee. I hope you all enjoy this video, and let's jump right into this video, honey, yes. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to take this concealer in the shade Warm Honey, I believe, and I'm just going to pat it all over my lids, and then I'm going to take some of this Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to set that concealer in place. So then after that, guys, I'm going to go in with my 350 palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take these two orange shades and blend it into my crease area to create a transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take a brown shade and blend it right underneath that orange shade. So then I'm going to go in with this black shade and this dark brown shade, and I'm going to put that on my crease as well. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go back in with the orange eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend it out around the edges of that shadow so that it won't leave any harsh edges. Then I'm going to go back in with that concealer, and I'm going to start to carve out my crease. So once I've done that, I'm going to go back in with this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this yellow shade and a sort of lighter yellow shade from this palette that I got from the beauty supply store that I ordered from Amazon. Yeah, I believe I ordered it from Amazon. That's why I ordered it from, y'all. It's this cheap little palette. It's nothing expensive, y'all. Like I told y'all on the video before, I don't use a lot of expensive products, and that yellow wasn't popping enough, so I went in with that lighter yellow eyeshadow, and it made it pop a little bit more. So with that same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this burnt orange shade, and I'm going to put it right in the center of my lids, and I'm going to blend it in with that yellow shade. So then I'm going to take a dark brown shade, and I'm going to put it at the outer corners of my eyelids, and I'm going to blend that in with the burnt orange eyeshadow. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take my brush and just blend out the edges of this eyeshadow so it won't leave any harsh lines. So now I'm going to take my eyeliner, y'all, from that I got from NYC. Y'all probably like, why is this eyeliner like all black? But y'all, I've been using it so much, and I guess the oils from my hand or something rubbed the letters off or whatever, so now it's just all black. But it's from NYC, y'all, and I love that eyeliner. So then I'm going to take some silver glitter, and I'm just going to outline where I cut my crease at, and I'm just going to sort of stop it sort of midway where I put the brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to kind of give it a faded effect there, and then I'm just going to stop it. So y'all, that is it for my eyeshadow. Like, I think I did a bomb job. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if y'all like this eyeshadow look. I am digging it, honey, yes. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation that I got from MAC, and I'm just going to set it all over my face with my beauty blender. So once I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to take these two concealers from Maybelline and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, in the center of my forehead. And I'm going to take that same beauty blender, just use the opposite end, and I'm going to blend it in. Then I'm going to set that concealer with the Ben Nye powder in the shade Topaz and my powder from Sacha Buttercup. So cause I don't like to look dry faced, y'all, I do not let my powder sit on my face that long. So I'm going to immediately start to brush out that powder. And the powder that I'm going to use to set my entire face is from Maybelline as well, and it's in the shade 40. So y'all, I got these fat cheeks, but I do not like to contour, so I'm just going to put some powder at my lower jaw and then blend that in. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take some blush from Morphe and I'm going to put it all over the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to take some highlighter. I say highlighter, Lord. But I'm going to take some highlighter from the crayon case in the shade Anglola. And I'm just going to put some of that on my forehead and down the bridge of my nose and on my cheeks and in the corners of my eyes, y'all. Then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and start to line the waterlines of my eyes. So then I'm going to set my entire face, y'all, with some MAC Fix Plus spray. And then I'm going to line my lips with some brown lip liner. And then for my lippy today, y'all, I will be using some MAC lipstick. And I believe it's in the shade Cream Sheen, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I will put it in the description box below. So y'all, we done being this face, honey. Get into this look, honey. Get into this look. Yes, girl, get it. Ooh. Yeah, let's get into this hair, y'all. I'm done with this makeup. Let's get into the hair. So now, y'all, I have a tutorial on how to crimp my hair already on my channel. Y'all go check out that video. I'm not going to go into much detail about my hair, y'all, but I got this crimping iron from Sally's and I just used some spritz to spray on my hair just to get the hair to stiffen up a little bit so the crimps will last a little longer. And I'm just going to crimp my hair, y'all, nothing too major. And I love y'all. Thank you for watching this video. If y'all made it this far, y'all are some real G's. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, this is the finished look. If you like this look, y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.